Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Mrinal Sharma and I am Senior Consultant and Head of Department Orthopedics at Asian Hospital, Faridabad. And I am today on Healthy Talks with Shafiq Ahmed Khan. And today I will be discussing with you about total knee replacement. So, total knee replacement is a procedure where the knee is replaced with an artificial joint. I will be discussing about what is total knee replacement, who all require total knee replacement, what are its advantages, how long it can last, and what are the precautions you have to take after doing a total knee replacement, and what are the changes in your life that you will have after getting a knee replacement. So, knee replacement is usually advised for patients who have developed advanced osteoarthritis of the knee joint. So, in osteoarthritis what happens is the cartilage of the knee joint gets worn out and it becomes thinned out like this. So, the bone it comes out is exposed, and when the patients walk they have this sensation of grating, they have pain, they have swelling, and with time the knee joints they tend to bend, and this deformity causes lot of discomfort and pain to the patients. Osteoarthritis is usually seen in the elderly, and in very advanced stages what we recommend is that we do a total knee replacement. Total knee replacement is a procedure where what we do is the worn out ends of the bone, they are actually changed, and what we do is we put if this is the knee, then this is the worn out knee. The normal gap which is there in the knee is actually finished, or it is absent in a arthritic knee, and in those cases what we do is we shave off this part of the joint and we put this femoral component on the thigh bone, and on the leg bone we put this spacer in between, or the gap, and when they totally articulate with each other the patient can walk around pain free. There is full movement, patients can even walk, play sports, some kind of swimming and all, and also have a pain free lifestyle. So, this is a total knee replacement. If you see here on the x-rays, you can see that the normal x-ray of a patient would show gap on both sides, but in this case in arthritic knee the gap is lost. So, our intention is to place a spacer, a gap in between both the bones, so that the bones do not rub against each other and the pain is not there when the patient walks. After a knee replacement, usually the patient can be made to walk the same day or next day after surgery, and within 2-3 days he is going to the toilet and walking around in the corridor of the hospital. And now, since I am doing fast track knee replacement, patients can even go back home on the second or third day after surgery. So, the advantage of fast track knee replacement is the patient gets back to his normal life as early as possible. There is minimal blood loss, small incisions, early rehabilitation, and it is all possible because I am using computer navigation now in all my total knee replacement surgeries. After a knee replacement, you have to undergo physiotherapy. For few days you will be walking with a stick or a walker, and within 10 days, 5 to 10 days you can even start doing your stairs, go around in the park and walk around. And now I am doing a new technique where you do not have to remove any stitches or staples. We are putting in stitchless surgery, or staple free surgery, where you do not have to remove any staples or the dressings have to be changed again and again. So, that is the advantage what we are doing now. After a knee replacement, patient is comfortably able to walk without any support in 2 to 3 weeks time, and the knee replacement I am doing right now can last for a lifetime. If the patient is like 55-60 years, then I say that this will last around 20-25 years. So, it is almost like his whole lifetime the knee replacement is going to last, because of the advances in the technology now. The life of a knee replacement has increased tremendously. After a knee replacement, what you need to do is you need to do regular physiotherapy. You need to be careful that you do not fall. You have to prevent falls in the bathrooms. Don't go in places where the light is not proper, or on slippery places where you can fall. Otherwise, if you do a good knee replacement from a good center, which I guarantee in my hospital that it will last 25 years. So, you can consult all patients with knee problems with arthritis can consult me in Asian Hospital and get in touch with us, and we can give them free demonstration and details about the surgery, and we can tell you about what are the conditions where you require knee replacement and what will be the advantages. After a knee replacement, maybe within a month you can even drive the car. 1 month or 6 weeks time, you will be able to drive a car. And probably if you say when will I be totally normal, it will be like 2 to 3 months after surgery, that you will not even feel that there is a joint inside your knee actually. So knee replacement is a misnomer. It is not that we are changing the whole joint, we are just putting a superficial covering on top of the joint. So it is a knee resurfacing procedure rather than a replacement. The muscles, the tissues, the bones, they remain yours only. The only thing is we are putting another resurfacing and a gap in between them. So after knee replacement, you can have a very healthy lifestyle. You can walk around in the park, you can go for shopping, you can even play sports like golf, you can do swimming. And although contact sports we ask them to avoid, like football and all, you should not play after knee replacement. But otherwise you will have pain-free mobility without any problems, and you will have a normal life. You will have a life like you would not have thought of, that probably after arthritis will I be able to walk, will I be. I have patients whom I have operated, who are doing yoga, who are doing for hiking, who are even doing a lot of manual work, and they are working, doing their jobs, and they are all successfully treated by me, and they are doing very well. So knee replacement, my friends, is a successful procedure. It is doing wonders. It is a boon for those who actually require it. And I would strongly recommend that if you have a knee problem and you require a knee replacement, you should contact me, Dr. Mrinal Sharma at Asian Hospital, Faridabad, and we will give you the best, the lifelong lasting total knee replacement for your knees. Thank you.